Amazing, dog. 10 out of 10.
YouTube, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy Swerve back with another video. It's been a fucking while, very long time. I was actually supposed to edit so many videos and have them out for y'all while still vlogging, but I don't know. I just been on a little, I don't know. I didn't really have no motivation, even though I'm really not supposed to need motivation. I'm just supposed to do this shit. Cause like, you feel me? I got people saying that they fuck with my videos and shit. So like, why would I not keep going? But yeah, I just came back from New York. Hope you had a good Christmas, good New Year's. It is January 5th by the time whenever this video comes out. I might want to make this the first video that comes out. I have like 3 videos I need to upload. So I don't know. I just might prioritize this one. Since it's the new year, I'm gonna prioritize the new shit and get the old shit out for y'all still, cause I still got Japan shit to upload and all that. But as y'all can see by the title, we are installing a brand new catback exhaust today. Brand new catback exhaust. It's been a while. I've been needing an exhaust. We finally got ourselves a ALIBABA exhaust. A little ALIBABA shit, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on those notifications if you're new to the channel. I'm about to head to my boy crib right now so we can work on getting this shit installed. I'm gonna show y'all a couple sound clips. When I go downstairs to my car, I'm gonna do a cold start, probably do a little revs so I can have a before and after with the stock exhaust with no muffler. And I have 2 resonators. Yeah, I reinstalled 2 resonators to my current setup. So I'm just running no muffler. So yeah, we're gonna see how that sounds now. Should sound amazing after with the new exhaust. So I'm gonna pick y'all back up when I'm over there or when I go downstairs to do the cold start actually. Then we're gonna head over there. I'm not gonna lie. It don't sound bad after that. But yeah. So now that we have that out the way, let me do a couple comfort revs. Even though we in my apartment, who cares, right? But y'all get a good glimpse of how it sounds. So yeah, about to head over there now. It's like a 40-minute drive. Yeah, I'm gonna pick y'all up when I'm over there. We got the big box in the back. Know what I'm saying? Finna get crafty. So as y'all can see, the exhaust is basically hanging off the car. I didn't really get to record too much. I was just assembling the parts. Oh my god, that shit is hitting. But yeah, I didn't really do too much besides unwrap and unpack to get things ready for when the exhaust is off the car. Let me give you some better angles. That shit was hot as hell. I had to cover it from the sun. That shit started burning my hand when I touched it. But yeah, y'all gonna see later in the video a few more clips I didn't get to record, and yeah. So now as you can see, the exhaust is off the car. That shit was fucking rusted and nasty and dirty. Those exhaust tips are fucking terrible. Everything is just welded. I still have my resonators. We had to cut this shit because it wasn't sliding off. Apparently we had to cut this shit off. So yeah, he's currently working on putting the new exhaust parts on right now. Y'all gonna see the finished product. All these parts here is gonna be on the car. So this is the first closed start, but the valves were closed here and there was no tips, so this is how it sounded.
hours later.
Alright, y'all, so we just finished putting the exhaust on. It's dark and late as fuck out right now, but I'm about to be on my way to the crib. I'm gonna get sound clips and shit tomorrow for y'all. Probably do some flybys and shit when the sun is up. Yeah, it did take a while. We got the exhaust on. So I'm gonna pick Ella up tomorrow. I'm gonna head to the crib. I'm tired, I'm hungry and shit. And yeah, I'm gonna get all these sound clips and everything for y'all. So yeah, it's officially the next day after putting the exhaust on. So there was a little issue I was having due to the fact, I mean, it's not a little issue, but I'm missing one piece to the puzzle and I need some exhaust hangers for my car because right now the muffler just basically loose. It's not loose to the point where it's like disturbing, but I do need some hangers. So what I was gonna do was order some OEM ones, but I might just go to the the exhaust shop and try to have them give me a hanger. So we're gonna go over there right now. I'm gonna go downstairs and give y'all not the first cold start, but I'm gonna give y'all a cold start. I'm gonna rev it a little bit, but later on today I'm gonna get flybys and more revs. I don't wanna rev too crazy downstairs though. Yeah, we're gonna cold start, open valves, close valves. I wish I had a remote start though, so I don't have to, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, start it with the valves open, close it, open it again. Y'all gonna get a gist of it. So yeah, I'm about to go downstairs right now and then head over to the exhaust shop and see what they're jacking with the hangers. And then try to get some flybys and shit after. So I'm doing too much yapping now. I know y'all wanna hear shit, so let me stop talking. I was gonna hook up the DJI mics and put it a little closer, but I feel like that's a little unfair to the stock exhaust. So I'm gonna keep this same mic setup and all that. I think that means it's open. So let's start it. You hear the difference when I close it and then I don't think I like the open exhaust. I don't think I like the open exhaust startup. That shit is too loud, gang. Too loud, gang. I need to put the tips in a little more. Like from this angle, like it just looks too out. Like, it should look pretty nasty. But I like how it looks from behind, but it looks too far out. So let me rev it a little bit. Let me rev it, valves closed first, and then we gonna open them. I'm not doing that here. I'm not doing that here, bro. Too loud. So now we finally get an under view of the fucking exhaust. But the OEM exhaust hangers don't even fit apparently, because this shit doesn't go up high enough. Apparently, I don't know. We're gonna see. We're gonna see what he could do. Cause I ain't gonna lie, this shit is sitting pretty low. It's pretty low, I'm not gonna lie. So I just pulled up on my boy Andreas. We're about to go shoot some rollers in a second. It's already about to be 5:30. The sun about to set, but it's whatever. We're gonna get some rollers, do some revs and shit. We're gonna get all of that for y'all. Don't worry. The YouTube M550i GOAT is back in full effect. But let me put this down real quick and then we gonna, you know what I mean? Give me a few minutes though.
Yeah. Bro, that's loud.
All right, y'all, so we are back at the crib. That's gonna be the end of the video, I think. Yeah, I think I got enough clips. I don't think I need to put any more. You got some opens, flybys, closed valve flybys. It was all in sports. I wish I could hear it in like comfort or something, because I feel like it sounds like I didn't even open and close it for real. But my car did end up smoking a little bit. But we going, you feel me? We gotta break in that new bit, you know what I'm saying? My shit was smoking a little bit out the exhaust. But we good, we still good. Once again, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn those notifications if y'all new to the channel. Yeah, more vlogs to come. Feels good to be back, man.